Hi there, Kim from Expression Artworks. Thank you so much for joining me today in this fun video and this really cool project that I have going on. I'm going to be using a couple of stencils. I'm starting by painting my surface with Dixie Belle fluff, and this is about a maybe 12-inch by 8-inch wood panel board. So the fluff is my background color, and I'm just making sure I get a good coat on the surface and all around the edges first before I get started. Going to dry it up really well. Use my Gator sander and just lightly sand the edges and the surface, smoothing everything out. And these are the stencils I'm going to be using. I just love this saying. And I got both stencils from the stencil smith. I'm just going to tape the back of the stencil just to make sure it doesn't move while I paint. And for the lettering, I'm using also by Dixie Belle, and it's called Savannah Mist. Very soft, neutral blue. And the other stencil I'm going to be using, also by the stencil smith, is basically scrolls. It's nice for a background or a border. So of course in this instance I didn't want to use it as a background because of all the wording and it would be too busy. So I thought it would be a neat idea just to make it a border just around the corners. Before I started the video, I decided what area that I wanted to use, and I just went ahead and I used that same Savannah Mist color that I used on the lettering, and with the area that I had chose previous, used it for all four corners. And I thought it would be something different, something a little unique, instead of trying to age the sign with either the same color, blue, or taking an ink pad and distressing the edges. I thought this would tie in really nicely. As I was stenciling, some of the other scroll design also adhered. In other words, I picked up a little bit more than what I wanted in a couple of the areas, like you could see at the bottom. So I just went ahead and I touched it up later with the white paint. But I think it came out really good. I'm really happy with it. So there it is. Thanks for watching.